you guys. Oops, I did it again. I really do have a problem. I went in to go return the Lindy because my aunt didn't want it. And I said I wasn't gonna get anything else. I wasn't gonna spend any money because I'm already now stuck with whatever amount of credit that is, that bag. I couldn't help myself. My SA obviously knows me and brought out more bag options. So I got something, sue me. Okay, but I told myself I'm not gonna buy any more, so this is like, after this month, I think, no, sorry. I have one more trip, and then after that trip, no more. I'm holding out, I'm waiting, I gotta stop. Shopaholic, stop a shopaholic. Shop a hold. I need to do a shop a hold. That's what I need to do. Anyway, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. They brought this out, and I mean, do I need it? No. Do I have it already? Yes. Could I say no? No, couldn't say no. Okay. Tried really hard to say no. Get out. I tried really hard to say no. I really did, but I couldn't. I already have this, but not in this color, and not in this, whatever. I mean, I have a bag in this color, but I don't have this bag in this color. So, I think from the box size and now the dust bag, you probably know what it is. But in case you don't, it is a cute little mini Avalon in Caban, which is dark blue. So cute. I have a backpack in Caban. I'll do a little comparison of backpack versus whatever. It doesn't matter. This is in Clemence and that's in Togo, but it's so cute. It's so small and great because I really got it because it matched this. Like, literally it was just matching what I was wearing. Almost blends in. And I don't know, I couldn't say no because these are so hard to come by. And yes, I have a billion of these, but I can always do another one. I would like taste the rainbow because this is such a cute little practical bag. Let me know what you think.